Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a super simple loopy scarf or cowl. And you can wear it long or you can wrap it around the neck. And this one was done with worsted weight yarn. You can tie it on the side or in the center. And this one was worked in a chunky yarn. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. This super easy scarf or cowl can be made using any yarn and any size hook. This one was made with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook, and this one was made with a chunky yarn and a 10mm crochet hook. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. I'm going to do the demo with a 6.5mm hook and worsted weight yarn. And you're going to start with a slip knot. And you're going to work a foundation chain as long as you would like it to be. And with worsted weight yarn, I would recommend chaining 100 if you're going to wrap it around your neck a few times and just have it draped down the front. With chunky yarn and a large hook, I would suggest maybe chain 70 and then get started. So once you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the 10th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you're going to single crochet in the 10th stitch from the hook. And that's your first loop. Now you're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in the next stitch. Like that, and you're just going to continue to repeat that over and over like that. Just chain 10, single crochet in the next stitch, and that's all you need to know to be able to work this super simple loopy crochet scarf or cowl. I hope you enjoyed this super simple crochet pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.